Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see shark fish fry. Take 1 kg of shark fish pieces, deskinned. Add 1 spoon of rock salt and 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Add 2 glasses of water and cover and cook on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Fish will cook very fast, so check after 10 minutes. See, it has cooked very well. Take out in a plate and cool it completely. Once they are cooled down, take the pieces and shred them as shown. This fish doesn't have any thorns, so kids will have this curry very easily. Take 3 spoons of gingerly oil in a kadai. Once heated, add 4 chopped onions and 6 green chilies to it. Add 1 spoon of salt and fry the onions until they are golden brown in color. Once they are golden brown in color, add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Adjust all the spices according to your taste. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder and 2 spoons of coriander powder and half spoon of cumin powder here and fry well. Four spoons of red chili powder. This fish has a peculiar odor and taste, so the masala and the spices will be added more in this fry. Add the shredded pieces to it and fry continuously on a high flame for about 10 minutes. I have changed the kadai here because this fry will be faster done in a iron kadai rather than a steel one. You can see how it's changing color and the fish should become dry. This fry is a time-taking process. It's not easy. You should have lot of patience. But at the end, it's all worth it. Add few curry leaves here and fry for 2 minutes. That's all. Yummy fry is ready to serve hot. You can have it as a starter or as a side dish. If you like my dishes, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.